let's go off-roading.
Oh, hi. Guess what? I'm in my Bronco Raptor right now. God, it sounds like I'm flexing. I kind of am. I'm pretty blown away by this. But one thing I haven't done in this is off-road. Now, I've been with some people that have off-roaded, but I haven't done it yet. So I'm about to right now. I'm at Rower Flats. I'm not going to air down. I don't have my tank installed yet, so I can air back up, and I didn't want to just have it free floating back there. I don't think anybody, I don't want to say anybody, but I don't think there's many people up here today. So I'm not going to do anything too nuts. I'm going to keep in mind that I'm by myself, and if I get myself in trouble, I may not have cell phone service either. So try to be smart, which is not always my best trait. But let's see what happens. I will turn this back on in just 1 second. Alright, I am in 4-wheel low because this is a pretty good hill I'm about to do. I have not taken any air out of the tires. I could run it 5 pounds down or something probably all the time. It would be okay. But I haven't done that because I don't have an air gauge and I want them to be all the same. Now, I don't have my lockers on or disconnect or anything yet. Well, I've done this in my Raptor truck. No disconnect or anything. No lockers, just 4-wheel drive. So I'm going to try it with just 4-wheel drive. Unbelievable. Not even a thing. Wow. I'm gonna straddle these rocks right here. That was awesome. Now I'm going to turn around and go back down. What happens if I put it in manual, first gear, just let it do its thing? I feel like I want to. This is it's almost not fair. Jeez. Now, should I get down the nasty side? There is a nastier side of it. Can't really see it though. That's the problem. Can't see something. It's over there. It's not really much. It's ruddier, but no steeper. Not the kind of ruts that this can handle. This can handle these ruts.
These ruts? Got him!
It's like a Disneyland ride. It's awesome. What an amazing departure angle. Bam. I did not need my rear lockers, I don't think. Now, just like my Raptor truck, this thing, my former Raptor truck, and I miss it. It actually handles the bumps the faster you go. It just kind of goes right. I'm gonna go ambush for a second. And this is a little bit of a sketchy hill. I haven't been down here since we had all this rain, but I do have video of me doing this hill just to be on the safe side, and I don't think I need it, but just to be on the safe side, I'm going to do lockers and disconnect. Off to the left here. Alright, here we go. Lockers. Disconnect. Probably don't need it, but here we go. Even. Let's keep the throttle even. What is it up here? That was like nothing. I turned all this stuff on. It's like nothing. Quit disconnect. Quick disconnect. Which side should I take? No lockers, just four-wheel lock. Easy. I'm going to do that side with the easy side. The hard side. We'll see if I need lockers, but I don't think so. The reason is I don't think there's really nothing loose. If anything, I would need to disconnect a little bit, but I don't think I need to disconnect. All that would be gone if I aired down. Here's another gnarly hill. Yeah, I just keep going. Could I do the nasty side? I could. I'll wait till I have a little backup. You know what? I'm going to put the lockers on. And the disconnectors for the heck of it. Just to see what it feels like. I know it's grabbing. I know it's grabbing. Every paw on this thing is grabbing right now. Like, It's really cool. There's these like traction marks here where your tires are. It's really cool. Do I want to do the big hill on my own? I don't know. Or should I wait for the fellas? Alright, so I'm not going to do the major hill. I did one big major hill already. But at this point, I'm going to turn around just because I'm going to save some of this to come up here with the fellas. Alright, going back down sometimes is